Just 60.7 million I collect.
Now you
money. When they give me the money, I buy some materials. Asa,
this guy follow you touch the money.
no, he ain't chop inside.
Which material you buy?
I don't chop.
I'll come back to this guy first. Which material? Wait first. Which material you say you buy?
I buy elbow. I buy 5, like 2 pipes.
Buy only 2 pipes. Go drop my phone for 60 million job. What I give you?
Call the plumber again.
Let me try his number.
Now when they carry job, they give people website. I don't know.
This guy now, you go give. Don't worry. When I'm done with you
Don't worry,
today,
Mr. Man, please.
Don't worry, just call him for me.
I'm calling him. When I'm done with you today, you and that guy now. You see?
They're gonna beat you.
Hello, Mr. Plumber.
No be today now, no be today.
How far now?
My friend, don't
worry. Please, I gave you a job to do. For over 5 months now, I gave you 16.7 million. And you have not started my job. I went to my compound and I am seeing only 2 plumbers, only 2 pipes. You bought only 2 pipes with 16 million. Are you telling me to calm down?
I'm a professional plumber. Everybody know me, not
You
you.
hear the way they talk saying professional plumber.
A lot of people give me work of 20 million, 15 million, and I deliver the job.
Why did you not carry out the job?
For how long? How long do you want to take? Is it 10 years? 9 year film?
Okay, calm down. Let me explain.
Okay, don't worry. I want you to explain to me face to face. Let us talk face to face. I don't like phone calls.
Let me speak to him. My friend.
Doing one or two projects now.
And I will meet you wherever
hey,
you
my
are.
friend,
I'm mobile.
my
I'll
friend,
meet you wherever you are.
Where
please.
are you? Where are you right now? Where are you right now?
No be today. I know this guy. No be saying now. This guy.
If I ever locate you, my friend, you will regret this. Wallahi. Wallahi.
You will do it when?
Damboroba.
Put on speaker. Put the phone on speaker.
For how long?
For oh God.
6 months. I just 6 months. I just 6 months.
They give you work. They talk say 6 months. No be talking to your friend.
You dey talk say na just 6 months. Now your father give me the money.
My friend,
You dey
keep quiet
mad.
there.
You dey see 2 and 4 here. They go come out. They talk.
They tell me say na just 6 months. You don't see 2 million in 6 months.
Because I never handle you.
no be today. Now they trust me with money now.
The bastard see they talk to no be today. They talk about God.
Don't worry. I will deal with him. Don't worry.
God, what is all this?
The guy is not picking the call again.
What is all this?
No problem.
Call him. He will pick. What is all this?
Do you know his address?
Yes, I know his address.
Just
But
call one more time, sir.
Look how I'm sweating.
So-
And Mr. If you tell me sorry, I'll kill you.
Okay, calm down. Just give him patience. Name they talk within their mouth. If you never vomit within their mouth, I won't say no.
Kai.
Can you imagine? He's not picking up the call. Let's go to his address. You know his address?
yes, I know his address.
You will regret this. Don't worry. Don't worry. I want to do
wait.
this.
Wait, now I want just tell una see.
Yeah.
Una sure say una get record as una take give am this money.
Look at, I have the alert on my phone.
Oh, guys, it's not
All
about
the
how we
receipts.
take give
All
back.
the whole receipts.
No,
There's
yeah.
everything on my phone.
Because this guy looks like a criminal. This guy na criminal.
No be how he take-
Okay, be criminal. Shut up. Let me talk when I talk.
Yeah, okay, he has taken the call. He has taken the
Okay,
call.
no,
He has taken the call.
Hello, Mr. Plumber.
See, bless na
Now,
plumber wey dey papa.
I have just one question for you. Where are you? Okay,
He dey hide the location.
I see. You don't want to
Yeah,
come
with
out,
my money,
right?
you don't tell me where you are.
If
Okay, no problem. I don't want your service again, please.
Calm down.
if I ever locate you, believe me, you will regret this.
You know listen to the phone and talk.
You
Do
think
you know who you are speaking? Do you know who you are speaking to? You are speaking to a personnel. Okay, let's go to
He
the
dey using talk.
Well,
He don't end
I've
call.
had enough.
He don't end the call.
Money go house.
Okay, he ended the call.
Money go house.
You see who you carry my word to.
Leave him.
No, enjoy this guy. Make the money come out.
Let's
Okay, I go
meet
enjoy.
that
Even
man.
when the money come out, I go still enjoy. I ain't the
Make the
mad.
money come out.
Let's meet that man.
Make the money come out. So I go fit settle me. All this na work when I carry give people this.
On our two plan, chop the money.
I
Let's
don't
go.
chop anything.
Not
Wallahi,
too plant, chop the
wallahi.
money.
Okay, I don't chop anything.
You don't chop
boy.
it. Why they hide your location since you don't chop the money? Don't be
Go
have
dey
some
go
carry
here,
us.
smoke.
Don't be have some carry us go.
Wetin I do?
Wetin
Like say
you
we
do?
don't come
Na
pick
work
you
I
now.
collect. Na wetin I do? Which one be the touch
Let's
na?
go.
Wetin I
Let's
do
go.
na? Wetin I do
Like say we don't come
na?
back to our house.
Go
We
sit
see
down,
that.
let's go.
No be say me say my offense. No be say I chop the money now.
Let's say we no come meet for
See,
house.
if you say if you be saying that these people there, me and you for streets now for fights, for streets.
Now also
No
come
be
meet
say me
you.
say my small pikin.
Okay, you know be small pikin, you speak. You have my money. Get my money there. You tell me say you dey mad. You want my money? You tell me. I'll kill am.
What I do that? Say na because of 16 million won't kill me.
Relax.
Oh my
my
God,
life is worth more than
relax.
60 million. My life is worth more than 60 million.
Your father, your life is worth more than what?
16 million.
No, dust me. Just say you touch me to sweat.
Reaper. Now so na the rip.
Chairman, I beg drive this car.
You know the address, right?
Yes, so
You know the
guys, I
address.
know the
Move this
address.
car, let's go.
I beg you my phone make they check wetin.
Check the address first. Check the address.
Confirm the address.
Put that for Google Map, make me no lie.
Let's go.
How many your guy they record come inside now?
Camera, please come inside. Come inside, camera.
Shut up your mouth. Now you repair. They give you job. We go take care of your daughter.
You don't tell your daughter say you be reaper.
No be me be plumber now. No be me be plumber now. No depend
Because
anybody
of
now.
20%, you go dey do corny. You supposed to give am better plumber, you go give am quack one wey and they gather chop money for street.
Don't worry, we dey go there like this. We are going there.
No dey too show
Now
my
go
face
get
because
am
of my
alive.
badge. Make my badge no show here, oga. I no dey too show my face.
Wait.
Make federal government no.
Okay.
Come on, your hands from my mouth now.
See,
Oga, no dey too show our faces here. No too show our face. No too show our face because of our.
Today.
You know why they
My friend, confirm that address.
No too show
before
our
they
face.
don't
No too show our face. They hide am small for us.
Okay.
You know, say if you edit and get you go take block our face.
Yes,
no,
nah. I just want
guy
to
never even give me any money.
No, I no
He
go
never
show
give me
up,
any
sir.
money
You
inside
know
the
my
thing,
guy.
sef, I swear.
I'm
We are
not
heading
deliver
there.
the job. Why not deliver the job?
He never even. No be me be plumber now. No
Na me
be
be
me be
plumber.
plumber
You
now.
mad? No be
Na
you
me
be
be
plumber.
plumber.
Oh, go kill you.
I just know the guy. And
You just know the guy. So you know say na reaper him be. He dey mad.
We are going there now. So we not there. We dey go.
Today.
Yo, guys, maybe you know me now.
Who know you? Who know you?
See,
Awa. This guy don't dey talk with you. And which one be? You say I know you?
Okay, in the among.
No be
I know. No.
This
No.
this your guy na him go connect am.
All of them now. We chop that money.
No,
I
me I no
don't
chop
chop any
money.
money.
This
The guy
guy.
no
Now
even
go come
where he
outside.
dey.
No worry.
We don't near now. We don't near. Don't
Where be
worry.
the road?
Yes, I know the place, but we need to ask for you. Nigeria,
we go
but
ask
this one
somebody
this year. Now for abeg, if you go that front, go front.
We'll go from.
Go front, abeg.
Top money where I be say.
No be say if I say if I get 60 million like this, or nothing, so una go fit see me
No means
cash.
also your life worth past.
My life worth pass 60 million now.
Okay, we won't ask for you.
Madam, well done. You know that plumber, that popular plumber like this, wait tall like this. Yeah. You know. Okay, for that place, Abi.
Okay, thank
now,
you.
Okay, now during the day.
Where
No
be the
wahala,
place? I don't
no
know the
wahala.
place.
Thank
Where be
you.
the place?
Thank you.
You dey bad.
He dey mad.
Thank
You want
you.
know the place?
You say we know the place. In dey hide them. I tell you say this guy dey hide
Where
them.
una dey talk? Where una know thing wey in dey now? More na tell me where una talk
Officer,
say
we
in
need
dey now.
to
Where
tie.
in dey?
We need to tie this guy, officer.
I
I'm
have a
telling
plan
you,
for him.
we need to
Don't
bundle this guy.
Let's get hold of that other man.
All right.
Let's get hold
No
of
be say
that
I be done na job I collect. I be
Officer
Miduma.
Officer Sadio, I tell you say this guy will use hand. I thank you for your support,
No
bro.
wahala.
Because if no be honor, this guy, you, I go call you. The main EFCC. Don't worry.
They
Me mo go con 60 million get send the phone. When he send 60 million for them, I no know now.
You mad.
Na
No be
just
you-
connection I
no be you carry
connect
am come
now.
with me.
Na carry am to say me help you do your pipe. Pipe dey leak for your
I tell you,
for your room.
if they
Na him
never-
say I
if they
carry am
never
to, I don't
break
know why he
this-
send am 60
If
million.
they never break this
I
guy,
don't know why
spinal
send am
cord,
60 million now.
Full plumbing work.
No.
if they never break this
You go
guy
know.
spinal cord,
I
you
don't
no
know
go
why
talk
he
shit.
send am 60 million
You
for
go
real
know.
now.
No worry,
Today.
you go find out today. See the kind your guy dey bad, dey enjoy. You say na buying day.
Yes.
No be the bar, no be the bar.
Yes,
Did
now,
that
they
from.
see
I mean that.
Oh,
Okay, that one.
Okay,
for
that
there.
one.
Yes, now.
Okay.
All right.
Eh,
You,
he say, abeg,
I know say
wait,
for
I
your
want
life,
call,
you no go
I
ever
want
do this
call.
kind
You
thing.
want call with
I
him?
want peace.
You want
No.
peace?
I want peace.
My friend,
So,
I
if you talk about peace again,
Like I want peace now. I want peace now.
You go peace for
Say me na
hellfire.
this bound I talk say I want peace now. Why I no go fit peace now?
Peace
I
for them.
make a central lock this door.
Peace for
Hey,
them.
they lock. I know if you go.
They
Anchor
lock.
day leg.
Peace for
Anchor
them.
day leg.
anchor of the
you
leg.
feel-
Yes.
Wetin I do? Wetin I do?
Wetin
I no
you
be
do?
criminal. 16 million. What? Me? I want pass all this thing.
Oh yeah, give
My
my
friend,
money.
you are talking too much.
All this words when they talk, I never give you over eye.
Me go where you want accuse, I go show you.
But we know each other. You know me for you.
Which I know you, I don't know you.
I bet where be the sign? Where be the sign?
Now the place be this. We don't reach on that front. Okay. You guys not here the man they dey.
See where they call Jesus. See where they can't hide.
Time I take you.
You dey do like say you no. You dey do like see this guy like say no.
Let's go.
Almost 60 million seven small. See where they can't hide.
See where they come hide.
I need to enjoy be that.
Enjoy.
You see inside there.
So now we are
See, they ask me.
See, don't do anything stupid here.
No,
No
that's
that
man.
smart.
Let's go.
No act smart.
I bet losing command the anchor, more go down.
Let's go.
Command the anchor with them leg.
No
Officer, hold on, my beg go.
I know if you run.
If he do mistake, run, they go kill him.
Yes, sir.
You are wrong over here. Wrong, go see. I got come now. You know if you wrong here. Hold the go. Give me your phone. Give me. I go treat you stuff for him. Hold the go.
Do like this now.
They go now. Go make go meet. See you go learn lesson.
Who be saying today this money will be? Eh? Wait, what?
I don't see him. In the day. Wait. Name be there.
You want to see the
Money on both of you. Call on. Come no bad guy.
Listen, why we on they find this guy come here?
Okay, if you
No be say I follow. Wait now.
if you don't chop the money, I
Wait,
will
you know, I don't follow and chop money now. I don't follow and chop money now. Which one be say I follow and chop money? Say na today we dey do business.
See, I know they follow you laugh for. Don't worry first. No
be say I call, no be me send money for now. I carry person say me a big number for you. You go send am 16.7 million. Abi shey na me
send am the money so you don't know.
You don't know. I won't know.
How you know?
Where
you sabi am from? Where you know from? Where you know from?
No be plumber I talk say he be.
So why you take me time where you can't give me?
Apa una don dey call am, una don dey call am.
The ring, the number the ring.
E dey ring. My video.
How far?
I beg, yeah, you did.
Who's from the same way I did? Are you trying to disturb me or what? Why are you asking why I did?
But wait first now, plumber. Now my money you hold. This thing now you hold my money. This you dey make me vex. So you dey make me vex.
You don't know the kind of engineer I be. You know because they threaten me for small money when you give me. Even though I'm tired for your work. And when they threaten me like this,
You know what's going to happen.
Just it's not picking for this work.
Just don't worry. Just give me my money back. I don't want to.
You want to get that job. Whatever it is you want to do.
No, I want my money today.
This
Did I end my call?
You give me some money.
Now in the inside. Now in the inside.
Apa. Na for us to go
We
one
know
time.
end call. Na say end call. Na your hand touch that. No be say
You
end
go
call.
collect today.
You dey mad? Which one touch come? I touch come. No. You dey mad? I dey follow you laugh. Stand up,
No be say na me send money for na 16.7
Why
million.
you can't give me? Mo dey go.
Which kind million?
See, I know they laugh with you. Mo dey go. You know how much you collect when you play with me. No, they look back.
Na it's the plumber be that.
Get my money day. Get my money day, bros. Get my money day. I don't want to tell you. Get my money day. Get my money. Get my money.
Stay there.
Get my money.
No be na him abi no be you.
Na the plumber be that. Na him be that.
Get my money.
Me and who I take over.
Get my money day. I'm not an like this. I carry your phone transfer my. You want to no loss from inside.
I just go beg
You use which God? I go see. I go carry bottle break for your head.
Who's business on you?
Waiting me. Send my money. Send my money now. Like after when the money.
I go pay. I dey come. I beg. When I just no touch.
You dey carry babe. You dey carry. No worry. You know say na that money you take the place.
Send the money.
Son of the real people, now the craze.
I beg.
Collect her phone.
See, I beg.
Get this ball off. Where your phone? Where your phone? Bring your phone. Come on. Bring your phone. You dey say you.
So when you collect his
Wetin I dey talk? Wetin I dey talk?
So now you carry your phone to why? I don't show them where you do. And you show beside this money.
Yeah. You dey mad. They explain. Now fit the follow. Where my money dey? Where my money?
Oh yeah, okay, wait.
Where my money?
Wait, man, tomorrow do transfer.
Where my money? I dey follow you. Where my money?
No.
Give my money.
No. One no.
No, this thing. You know how much?
Tell am make you my money.
You said
Now
16.7 million I collect.
Now you
I will slap this guy.
Awa, no first for me. Man talk. Awa, you go beg you. Just don't touch. No, calm down. I beg, no beat me. Awa, I beg.
No, that beat am.
All these phones they never reach my half of my money self.
Sorry.
These phones never reach half of my money. You get my money.
See, when they give me the money, I buy some materials. Asa.
This guy follow you chop the money.
No, he ain't chop inside.
Which material you buy?
I don't chop.
You see?
I don't chop
I tell you
anything.
this guy dey lie.
Plumber. I
I tell
just
you
Wait, I'll come back to this guy first. Which material? Wait first. Which material you say you buy?
I buy elbow. I buy pipe. Like 2 pipes.
You buy only 2 pipes. Go drop my phone for 16 million job. What I give you? You think that they laugh with you? Eh?
I bet. Hold him.
You think that they laugh with you? Where my money? Where my money? You say where my money? Where I keep my money? Where I keep my money? I dey follow see.
I don't get 16 million.
Oh, you chop the money. Okay, you don't get money. You chop my money. Where my money dey?
Where
your quotation?
I want 16 million. I don't get. See, now just 1 million. I don't spend it. I need 15.7.
Which one be your phone for there?
I could do transfer. You see there.
All these phones na him.
You see there.
Even they carry woman.
They drink. Get the woman when you carry.
You don't run.
Be your phone.
See woman.
Nah, the woman don't run leave.
No fair.
You carry.
Collect this kind of money. You don't even tell me. You collect this kind of money. You don't even tell me.
You shop inside.
Collect this kind of money. You don't even tell me. No first.
No fear. She dey run. They leave you.
No first.
Call your account.
Man, they do. Let me call your account.
Kola.
Oh yeah. Man,
How
they
much
do.
your total money? Main transfer.
16.7 million.
Oh yeah.
Don't add anything. Don't use it.
Let me call her.
70. 67.
God go bless you. Now if no be you, which person like this?
OP.
You. Shebi you say
I don't do it. I don't do it.
this guy dey go jail. He dey go jail.
I don't do it.
Catch am o. Make sure say catch am. You see say hold that guy yo, hold that one o.
At least you don't sell money.
Na him go face everything you dey your head. Shebi you dey cover your guy. Now he don expose you.
I don't want
Now you be
I
Abi.
beg.
You be yes.
Now you be a show for Abi.
Yes, na you be. See both. This money. Don't worry.
At least we'll go now. More cash am out now. More meet am. More collect.
You dey enjoy.
Now the original na bitters.
No understand. So that one carry pay.